What up, guys? Alright, so anybody that's in Orlando, Florida and they know of any straight roads, let me know, because the spot I'm at right now, I actually thought it was a little bit more wide open than what it is, to be honest. I was on here on my bike a long time ago. I can't figure out how to do this fucking thing. I was here on my bike a long time ago, and I could have sworn it was more than, I thought it was all straight roads, but this ain't all straight roads. I got a bad memory. Come on. So hope you guys enjoy some pulls. It's not going to be much, just because this road is not what I thought it was. So enjoy. I'm curious how it comes out. I'm only going to do a few. I don't need the cops getting called on me, and the roads are kind of wet right now. There's not like huge puddles or anything, but you can see that they're not dry. So even if I take off right now, you know, I'm gonna spin. So I'm gonna slow take off. I'll come back. I'll do kind of a heavy pull when I get a little straight, and then I'll come back, and then I'll do a hard pull right here. Spin the tires. So enjoy. How was that? How did we like that, boys and girls?